How to get rid of unnamed, zero-column in a pandas DataFrame reading from CSV file. I have a situation wherein sometimes when I read a CSV from DF, I get an unwanted index-like column, named unnamed column 0. File.csv. The CSV is read with this. This is very annoying. Does anyone have an idea on how to get rid of this?
It's the index column. Pass pd.to_csv ... index equals false. To not write out an unnamed index column in the first place, see the to_csv docs. Example. Compare with. You could also optionally tell read_csv that the first column is the index column by passing index_col equals 0.
This is usually caused by your CSV having been saved along with an unnamed index, range index. The fix would actually need to be done when saving the data frame, but this isn't always an option. Workaround: read_csv with index_col equals 0, argument. Emo: the simplest solution would be to read the unnamed column as the index. Specify an index_col equals 0. Argument to pd.read_csv. This reads in the first column as the index. Note the square brackets. Exclamation mark dash. Note how you could have avoided this in the first place by biasing index equals false if the output CSV was created in pandas, if your data frame does not have an index to begin with. But as mentioned above, this isn't always an option. Stopgap solution: filtering with str.match. If you cannot modify the code to read/write the CSV file, you can just remove the column by filtering with str.match.
To get rid of all unnamed columns, you can also use regex such as df.drop df.filter regex equals unnamed, access equals 1, in place equals true.
Another case that this might be happening is if your data was improperly written to your CSV to have each row end with a comma. This will leave you with an unnamed column X at the end of your data when you try to read it into a DF.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.